Hello, my BL lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 3 of the series Kisse Ki Dare to Me. If the video is entertaining enough, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Baizongi, at work, thinks of the kiss between him and Zeroi and gets upset. Zeroi wants to make up with Baizongi, but all his efforts were going in vain. He calls up ID to ask what to do if someone is upset but didn't got the required answer. ID asks him when will he return to the gang, to which Zeroi avoided. Zeroi asked Baizongi to hit him to show his true apology for his mistake, to which Baizongi punched him, thinking that he would duck, but he beared the punch. Both of them made up. Baizongi thought about Zeroi and asked his friend to ask his grandmother to make a strawberry cake for him. Boss called ID and Chenny to headquarters. All were in the pool when Boss and Mingle scolded Chenny about his actions against Zhangtang's turf and reminded that it has cost them lives of many of their men and still didn't had much, to which Chenny says that he has plans for the next move. Chenny likes his boss and his loving eyes were seen by ID, who teases him not taking any action of confession. Boss and Mingle are still worried about Zheng Teng's Dragon Gang reactions, which would happen. At home, while going through Baizongi's books, Zeroi finds recipe of strawberry cake in a book. Just then, ID calls Zeroi to come back, otherwise they would be in a big trouble. Zeroi thinks about Baizongi and finds himself getting attached to him and decides to go back and asks ID to come and pick him up. ID finds Chenny talking to Boss over the phone and disturbs him. He teases him, saying that Chenny doesn't have the guts to confess about his love to Boss. He also informs him that Zeroi is coming back and wants them to pick him up. While returning home, Baizongi gets strawberry cake for Zeroi. Zeroi, on his way back, saw Baizongi but didn't call for him. Chenny and ID asks him to at least inform Baizongi that he is leaving, but Zeroi didn't have the courage of telling this to him. Baizongi finds that Zeroi has left the house. He also finds a note and a packet of money. The note was from Zeroi, thanking him of taking care of him and giving him money as was promised. Baizongi was deeply hurt of Zeroi's leaving the house. This incident made him remember about how in past, in his childhood, his mother abandoned him, and this was the same feeling. Zeroi and Baizongi both are missing each other. So friends, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 4. Thank you.